deluxe garden room
Deluxe
here.
garden room,
Yes, to your right.
So this is my villa.
Yeah. Neat.
Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm very excited to be here at the Crimson Resort and Spa in Cebu, Mactan. And I'm going to give you a quick room tour of their pool villa. They do not have a lot of pool villa, and I've requested, and I'm so excited that they got me one to experience. So I'm going to be here for 2 nights. And if you follow me before, I was in Boracay. I stayed at the Shangri-La, but then the Crimson Resort in Boracay is just next door. And I went there for a very nice dinner, which I have a video as well. But this time, I'm really coming back to experience Crimson. As I check it out more, Crimson is actually an award-winning Philippine hotel chain with the Boracay property and this property winning quite a few awards. So this property unfortunately was kind of destroyed by the typhoon years ago, and now it has reopened. And then when you look at the exterior, when you look at the landscape, the lush green, everything is here. You do not really feel it, and it's even better. And this is the new pool villa category. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So very nicely, this is the welcome amenity. So with the local snacks and even a bottle of wine and fruit. Okay, so this is the living room area. So I'm going to show you exactly, this is where I am. So very close to the infinity pool, which I'm going to show you in a second, as well as the beach club and the Japanese restaurant and the other restaurants. So I'm really going to experience everything here to give you a full review. But before that, of course, the room tour is important. So they have the espresso coffee machine and the kettle and very good number of bottle of waters. And then this is the mini bar. And the lady says for my one-time consumption, which is nice. Okay, so this is the first part of the room. I like the lamp as well, with the dining table for 4 or 3. And then the living room area. Nice decor. Okay, and really homely with the furniture and then with the television. So going in, this is my bedroom. So hardwood floor, 4-poster bed, very thick mattress, nice linen. This is what I'm looking for. So this is perfect. So this is the welcome handwritten note from the general manager. Really appreciate it. With the crimson hat as well as the crimson beach bed that I can use. So, and back here, you can see some nice touch, of the lamp decor. And then the television. And then over here, that's the safe deposit box and the slippers to use at the beach. So this is the bathroom. Normally, that's what I expect from a nice resort with the good bathtub, facing some green with privacy, double sink, 2 nice bathrobes, and also with a TV here. So this is the amenities when you're using the bathtub, as well as for more sustainability, the bigger bottle for the bath gel and shampoo and conditioner with the rain shower. Okay, as it is a pool villa, so I have to get out to show you the pool. So here it is. Okay. They call it the love nest because, you know, the couple can be sitting here together. And then this is the pool. Okay, this is a plunge pool. As you can see, it's only 4 feet deep, no diving. The children must be accompanied by the parents, of course. So if you consider that as a plunge pool, it's very good size. It's 32-degree outside, you know, to come in and to have a nice soak in the pool villa, and then can be relaxing here in the day bed or the love nest as they call it. So that will be my perfect stay here at Crimson Mactan. So anyway, I'm getting back in because, as I mentioned, I'm going to have the full experience here at Crimson Mactan Cebu, and I'm going to try the new Japanese restaurant. I'm going to go for the spa. I'm going to go to the beach club, and I'm going to show you the facilities, the infinite pool, and everything. So follow me with my amazing stay at the Crimson Resort in Cebu, Mactan. See you. So I'm now at Azure, and to redeem my complimentary drink coupon as well as having a quick lunch, this is just the perfect spot to have lunch here. Such nice decor. And I'm here facing the ocean. Thank you. So this is the yoga pavilion, and this is the spa swimming pool, just for spa guests, a private one.
Experiment and eucalyptus. You have to disinfect your feet. Now flour to moisturize your feet.
Yeah.
So, clean the soap first.
As the day ends and the sun slowly submerges, a horn resonates in the distance.
welcome here.
Thank you.
So we have salmon and tea.
Oh, great. Thank you.
5 varieties of figure.
Yep. So going to Azure Beach Club for dinner on the second night.
This is the side.
Yep.
Vegetable, side salad,
Thank you.
local scallops, squid, tiger prawns, and lapu-lapu in the chimichurri sauce.
Great. Thank you so much.
Welcome.